Pakistan's economy presents a complex picture. It grapples with deep-seated challenges that hinder its progress. High inflation, a substantial fiscal deficit, and political instability cast a long shadow. However, amidst these difficulties, there are glimmers of hope. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, or CPEC, promises to unlock significant investment. At the same time, a burgeoning technology sector offers a pathway to innovation and growth. The country stands at a crossroads. Addressing its challenges head-on is paramount. Structural reforms are urgently needed to unleash Pakistan's true economic potential. These reforms must encompass critical areas such as taxation, energy, education, and governance. By implementing prudent policies, Pakistan can create a more resilient and inclusive economy. Pakistan possesses a young and vibrant population. This demographic dividend holds immense potential. To harness this, the nation must prioritize investments in education and skills development. This will empower the youth to become the engine of future economic growth. Furthermore, fostering an environment conducive to entrepreneurship and innovation will be crucial. The path ahead will undoubtedly require difficult decisions, yet with determination and a shared vision, Pakistan can overcome its economic obstacles. By embracing sustainable and equitable growth strategies, the country can chart a brighter future for its citizens. Pakistan faces a trio of formidable economic challenges: soaring inflation, a precarious fiscal situation, and persistent political turmoil. Inflation has eroded the purchasing power of ordinary citizens. This has led to a decline in living standards, particularly for the most vulnerable segments of society. The government's finances are strained. A large fiscal deficit limits its ability to invest in essential public services. Chronic political instability further exacerbates these challenges. It creates uncertainty, discourages investment, and hinders the implementation of much-needed reforms. This toxic mix of inflation, fiscal weakness, and political volatility has created a perfect storm. Addressing these interconnected issues is paramount to stabilizing the economy. Pakistan must implement a comprehensive strategy that tackles these challenges on multiple fronts. This will require a combination of prudent fiscal policies, structural reforms, and political stability. The government must demonstrate its commitment to fiscal discipline. This can be achieved by broadening the tax base, reducing wasteful expenditures, and improving tax collection. Additionally, addressing structural bottlenecks in the economy is crucial. This includes tackling energy shortages, improving infrastructure, and creating a more business-friendly environment. Amidst the economic headwinds, there are two bright spots on Pakistan's horizon: the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, or CPEC, and the burgeoning technology sector. CPEC, a multi-billion-dollar infrastructure and development project, holds immense promise. It has the potential to transform Pakistan's economy by addressing critical infrastructure gaps. These investments in roads, railways, and energy projects are crucial. They will enhance connectivity, reduce transportation costs, and improve access to energy. This will, in turn, attract foreign investment, boost economic activity, and create employment opportunities. Meanwhile, Pakistan's tech sector is experiencing remarkable growth. Fueled by a young and tech-savvy population, the country is witnessing a surge in startups and innovation. This vibrant ecosystem is attracting both domestic and international investment. It is creating jobs and contributing to economic growth. The government recognizes the transformative potential of the tech sector. It has implemented policies to support its development. These include initiatives to promote digital literacy, provide tax breaks to startups, and attract foreign investment in the technology industry. Section 4. Charting a course: essential reforms for sustainable growth. To achieve sustainable and inclusive growth, Pakistan must embark on a path of comprehensive economic reforms. These reforms should focus on key sectors such as taxation, energy, education, and governance. Reforming the tax system is paramount. Pakistan has a narrow tax base, with a large informal economy operating outside the tax net. This results in low tax revenue, hindering the government's ability to invest in essential public services. Broadening the tax base by bringing more people and businesses into the tax net is crucial. This can be achieved through simplifying the tax code, improving tax administration, and tackling tax evasion. Addressing Pakistan's chronic energy crisis is another pressing priority. The country faces frequent power outages. This hampers economic activity and discourages investment. Investing in renewable energy sources, improving energy efficiency, and reforming the energy sector are essential. Section 5. Unlocking Pakistan's potential renewable energy and industrial expansion. Pakistan has the potential to become a leader in renewable energy. The country is endowed with abundant sunshine, wind, and hydropower resources. By harnessing these resources, Pakistan can reduce its reliance on expensive fossil fuels. At the same time, it can create a cleaner and more sustainable energy future. Investing in solar, wind, and hydropower projects will not only enhance energy security, but also create jobs and attract foreign investment. Moreover, Pakistan has a long and proud industrial history. The country has a diverse manufacturing base. It ranges from textiles and apparel to cement and automobiles. However, Pakistani industries face challenges in terms of competitiveness, productivity, and access to finance. To unlock its industrial potential, Pakistan needs to focus on enhancing the competitiveness of its manufacturing sector. This can be achieved through investing in skills development, promoting innovation, and improving access to finance. Furthermore, Pakistan should explore opportunities to move up the value chain by focusing on higher value-added products. This will not only boost exports but also create higher-paying jobs. Section 6. A call to action towards a more prosperous and equitable Pakistan. Pakistan stands at a critical juncture. The country has the potential to overcome its economic challenges and achieve sustainable and inclusive growth. However, realizing this potential requires a concerted effort from all stakeholders. The government must demonstrate its commitment to economic reforms by implementing sound policies, tackling corruption, and ensuring good governance. The private sector must play its part by investing in the economy, creating jobs, and driving innovation. Civil society organizations have an important role in holding the government accountable and advocating for policies that benefit all citizens. The international community should continue to support Pakistan's development efforts by providing financial assistance, technical expertise, and promoting trade and investment. By working together, Pakistan can create a more prosperous and equitable future for all its citizens. A future where everyone has the opportunity to succeed and where no one is left behind.